Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pickled daikon and carrots. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need 1 large daikon radish and 2 medium carrots. Begin by peeling both vegetables thoroughly. Then, slice them into thin, uniform pieces, about 1/8 inch thick, or julienne them for a different texture. Ensure your pickling jar is clean and ready. Now, let's create the flavorful brine that will transform your vegetables. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt to this mixture. Gently heat the brine over medium heat, stirring continuously until both the sugar and salt have completely dissolved. Do not boil the mixture, just warm it enough to dissolve the solids. With your vegetables prepped and brine ready, it is time to combine them. Carefully pack the sliced daikon and carrots into your clean, airtight jar. Try to fit as many as possible without crushing them. Then, pour the warm brine over the vegetables, making sure they are completely submerged. If needed, use a small weight to keep them under the liquid. Allow the jar to cool to room temperature before sealing it tightly. Once your jar is sealed, refrigerate the pickled daikon and carrots for at least 24 hours before enjoying them. This resting period allows the flavors to meld beautifully. These crisp, tangy pickles will last for up to 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator when stored in an airtight container. They are a fantastic addition to many meals, perfect as a side dish, in banh mi sandwiches, or alongside grilled meats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.